Welcome to Shenzhen Oriental Technology Company Limited. I'm Siva, in charge of the whole company. We are a factory specializing in the production of data cables, a source factory that integrates independent research and development, design, sales, and service. The factory is located in Yangjiang, covering an area of 3,500 square meters. The company was founded in 2010. The headquarters is located in Longgang, Shenzhen, for over a decade. It owns 3 of its own brands and has a team of more than 100 employees. We focus on developing mobile phone fast charging cable, Type-C, Lightning, and HDMI transmission lines. Currently, we have over 80 machines, including 4 automatic wire cutters, soldering machines, environmental friendly soldering machine, injection molding machine, and all materials certified by CE and environmental standards. Daily production can reach over 100,000 units with more than 100 product lines. Strictly quality controls to ensure 100% inspection. Our supply chain is stable, production efficiency is high, and we ensure quality and the delivery time. Our cross-border experience is rich, with products sold to regions including Europe, America, Brazil, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Japan, and South Korea. We manufacture them for multiple brands and supply them to the platform such as Tmall, Taobao, JD, and Amazon. Support gift customization, specialize in foreign trade, and meet diverse needs through flexible manufacturing. We have attained certifications such as ISO 9001, CE, RoHS, and CCC, weekly implementation, quality inspection, standards, and quality assurance. Putting people first and putting service first, with professional customer service available 24 hours, 7 days.